Hello everybody, I'm Jason Martin from Speedway Motors and Eagle Motorsports. We're here today. We got a new product that a lot of people are going to be pleased to have during the winter time or anytime that you're struggling to get your motors running, or it's also an easy tool just for simply running the valves on your engine, so you don't have to have a special tool to turn the motor over. So what we have here is it's a Bert Sprint Car Starter. It's very economical in price for what you've seen in the past, and it's also very compact. It's got a quick connect cable for the battery supply, so you can simply plug and unplug it. It's got the leads and everything that come with it, and I've just got it rigged up here with an offshore marine battery that I took out of my boat, so it works just fine. Put a little battery charger on it so it keeps the battery up. You can plug it right into your pickup or however you want to do it. It's got this remote starter cable with a switch on it, so once we have everything plugged in here, all you gotta do is just get it hooked up to the back cover of your rear end, and obviously you hit the button. So it's very easy to use. We're gonna show you here how to basically put it in the rear cover of your rear end and get the engagement hooked in, and then you'll be able to go and do this at home on your own. So what you got to do is get this little black knob here pressed in line with the lower shaft. Get that in there, and then you can put your quick change cover nuts. There's just 2 of them that you got to put on. So you put those on, snug them back down tight. Well, this has got a really nice solid housing that can withstand the force that it's going to take to start these high horsepower motors that we're trying to use. And like I said, it's really easy to use for running your valves or any kind of maintenance that you're needing to use for leaking the motor down or what have you. So there we have it. The rear cover's on. You got to take this little black knob and engage it with the rear end in gear, and you're ready to fire it up. If you wanted to use it just to run the valves or do anything, you just put it in gear and bump it over for what you need to do. So that's pretty much how that deal works. It's very easy to use, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a holler. Comment below on our YouTube page here, and check out speedwaymotors.com. And if you have any questions, give us a holler. Thank you.